The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University present this tutorial on customizing exams for special cases. In this tutorial, we will provide a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to customize exams for special cases. By following these instructions, you will be able to effectively accommodate to the unique needs and circumstances of special cases during assessments. First, ensure that you have already created the quiz you want to modify. If you haven't, please refer to our previous video tutorial on how to create a quiz. Once you have the exam ready, navigate to your course page and turn on the edit mode. Then, find the quiz you want to duplicate and locate the 3 dots next to it. After that, click on Duplicate from the drop-down menu. This will create a copy of the exam. Now that you have duplicated the exam, click on the 3 dots next to the duplicated version. Then, select Edit Settings from the menu to access the exam's properties. Under the General Settings section, rename the quiz to accurately reflect its purpose. For example, you can name it Quiz for Special Cases. Moving on, navigate to the Timing Settings section. Here you can adjust the time period of the exam to accommodate the special circumstances. After that, go to the Restrict Access section and click on Add Restriction to limit access to specific students only. From the menu, choose User Profile as the restriction criteria. Next, in the User Profile field menu, select Email address as the field for identification. After that, set the value to is equal to and enter the email addresses of the students who should have access to the exam. Finally, click on the Save and Display button to complete the process. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for further support.